Greetings, this is the man who pretends to be Charles Darwin, once again talking to you from a forest in Alsace in northeastern France. And what you're seeing here is some flowers of the bear garlic, Allium ursinum, and the long strap-like leaves belong to the same plant as the flowers. And what these leaves contain is high levels of a chemical known as allicin, and that is the active ingredient that makes garlic taste like garlic. Now, why would this plant produce those chemicals? And the answer that is agreed upon by most scientists who have studied the question is that this chemical will deter herbivores. I know I've spoken about this in a different video. What I'm going to point out now is that this is not the only species of plant that produces something that seems like garlic to human beings. There's another plant right here. This is the garlic mustard. And the garlic mustard is not related closely to the bear garlic. As a matter of fact, at least 100 million years of separate evolution has occurred between the common ancestor of bear garlic and the garlic mustard. And yet they taste somewhat similar to us. But it's a completely different chemical basis. I can't remember the name of the chemical in garlic mustard, but it is not allicin. So when you have convergent evolution, where you have the same sort of adaptation in two widely unrelated plant species, you would think that there'd have to be an explanation for it, that maybe they would have the same chemical, but that is not the case. It's different chemicals. So part of the coevolution has occurred in the animal herbivores, such as humans also. That human beings think that the chemical that's in the garlic mustard tastes like allicin in the bear garlic. And as a matter of fact that this is called garlic mustard will tell you that it's not just my imagination, but that's something that people for hundreds of years have been saying. And so this is two aspects of convergence, is not only the adaptations, in this case chemical adaptations produced by the plants, but also the adaptations in the animals that eat or sometimes do not eat the plants that have those adaptations. This is in the mustard family. You can see the 4 petals in each flower, whereas in the garlic mustard, such as this one, it's a bit smaller, but each flower has 3 sepals and 3 petals. It looks like 6 petals. And then there's a cluster of flowers right here. So they're very unrelated. The bear garlic is what we would call a monocot, and the garlic mustard is a dicot, and yet they have similar adaptations. At least it appears to be similar when you see them from the eye level of a human being. This is the man who pretends to be Charles Darwin. Tally ho, and amen.